you see right within your heart.
Yo.
Your very own cheese pizza.
Hey yo. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all feeling festive out there. Because today, there's something in the post. So let's check it out. That's right, CB1 Christmas unboxing. Yeah, so let's see what flowers are in the post. First up, we've got Mac Daddy by All Nations. Next up, Sitka Legends. First I've tried from them, and this one is Kim's Sweet Diesel. Last but not least, we got our friends over at Casa Verde / Green Carrot. Oh my days, a full Canadian lineup, and that one is Gazerpul. I can't wait to try these, do the strain spotlights, and see if any make it to verified vapes. So big up yourselves. Thanks very much for watching. Let's keep the negative vibes away, and I'll see you in the next one.
You guys? Listen, you mind if I hang out with you guys for a bit?
We wish you a Irie Christmas.